Black chlorite schist mixed in there. Let's check this bank, okay? Check the bank. I was checking this ridge. You guys see these? Ouch. Probably fairly common, but that's a very heavy piece, okay? That was cool. But this, something entirely different. Right, these are nice little guys. I like that green. I'm not gonna take it. Oh, pinks too. Pinks buried in here. I don't know. Must just be case bar. Now he's having a good time. Bam, bam, bam. Had to get him out of the house. Noise. Oh, you're at the top. Don't give up. Just keep pushing them to get out of the house. That's a cool one. It's heavy. Metals. Metals. Heavy metals. Okay, let's dig around. Dig, dig, dig. Anything good? Beep, beep. The dude can want to keep climbing up there. Hey, it's cool. Is it a tarp? It's a tarp or it's a rock? Oh yeah. Light. It's very light. Oh yeah. This hunting's a good time though. Even if it's just the quartz. Oh, look at this one. Look at that one. Oh, look at that. Buried. Isn't that pretty? Dig it out. Sometimes I like to dig them out just to see what they look like. This is a nice piece of feldspar though, right? Look at the fracture on that. Bust that right in half, sorry. That's a very cool specimen. Pretty cool. It's so windy here. I'm a little bit sketched about that. And that's like, what do? You try to stay away from the bears. Oh, that's a neat one. Put that in big. They're so light, and they must be calcites. Cool looking calcites. I don't know. So I got that weird fracture too. Ooh, look at that one. You guys see that one? That one's pretty. Okay, it's coming back to right. So, yeah, I'll come over there. Just let me film this. Very cool. Pretty cool. Okay. There's one underneath here too. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
There's a purple with some quartz in it.
Yeah, that purple. Yeah.
And green with some more quartz in it.
Yeah, there's a lot of cool quartz here, that's for sure. Look at this purple. Quartz ball. Ooh. Yeah, there's one at your feet too. You see that one at your feet?
Yeah.
This guy. Nice green balls. Yeah, quite a few. I'm just wondering about, like, some of them are really opaque and then light. They feel light, right? And then these little randos. What are these? They feel light too. Feels like there's nothing in there. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh, what's this? What are these perps? I like it. It's a pretty neat spot. And it kind of looks like that was a tarp up there. That's cool. What is that? Oh. Like, woo! Look at that. Right? If you wanted to come for small crystals, like this is your spot. It's too bad I couldn't get like a small. I don't know. What do you do? Take them home, smash them up. I don't know. Let's see. This is how I wrecked my finger the other day. You guys should have been watching. It was kind of funny. You can't take them all home. And there's an orball. I was looking at something else. I was looking at something else. That's another nice big one there too. With like actual singular crystal structures. That's interesting. Different feels. Calcite ball. These feldspar balls. Mostly we're taking these home. Copper minerals. Ooh, dude. Wow, I like it. Here's a copper. You found a bonanza? Nice. Yeah, I'm starting. Oh, I see a black. Hard black. More little moonstone things. Huh. Alright, you guys. There's lots of very good stuff to look at here. Please come to the slide right past Farmvale. It's actually right on the side of the road. Right? You can just park here and check it out. You can just park down there and see where the truck is. And I would recommend following this slide all the way to the end. I see a little gold spot up on the mountain there. A very good gold spot up on the mountain. Might have some crystals in there. If you wanna hike that far. It's just the leaves suck. The leaves do kind of suck. Look at this. Pink crystals, pink and greens. Beautiful pink, green, granite crystal ball. Nice. Very nice. Okay, thanks for watching Mad Dog Mountain Arts. Places to go rock hunting. Bella Coola, BC. Quartz vein. Don't let the Cottonwoods hit ya, where the good Lord split ya. Right? Oh yeah.